So we're headed to Southwest DC, family property. It's the house my dad grew up in, one of the houses he grew up in when he was a little boy. So, and we've been renting it probably for 15 or 20 years, about 15. And but the last tenant just moved out. She was been there for 8 or 9. She moved out, left the place a mess. So we're just checking on the construction as we do the renovations, and bring it back up to par and get it ready to re-rent. So. We had some water coming in through the outside, through that mortar, and that's what I was kind of showing outside. We had to fix up, added a full bath in the basement. New gutters, because that was really where the problem was coming in, with that water coming in, so we had to put the new gutters in, and then also remove the awning. It was real dated, so we pulled that off, try to update the look of the house. Almost there, but still a lot of work to do.